Here we have a very large and interesting looking bird, which appears to have a prune or something mounted to its head. Notice the inquisitive look in its eye, hinting at the intelligence of most birds as it tries to eat glass. Let's see if we can communicate with it. Hello, bird. I come in peace. Okay. Here we have another one. I'm guessing another condor sitting on what appears to be rocks. It does not appear to be amused. Notice the bright red, lifeless eyes of this majestic killing machine. This one also lacks the sun-dried fruit upon its head. Maybe it hasn't gotten the memo yet. We may never know. One of the largest birds. They're normally found outside, in the skies, or perched upon things, eating things that they like.